Alright, so this is how you print a plate. First, you get your job ticket and you look at where it is saved. You go to the computer, open up InDesign. This is where we'll always print from. Alright. And you go to the file location. I've already got it set up, so it's front and back for press. I've already printed the front plate, so we're just going to print the back this time. So we're going to scroll down to the plate that we want. Control P for print. It's going to bring you up to this screen. Up here under printer, this is for the small press. So you're going to do Ryobi gray socket. It'll be marked on the sheet. Ryobi's the small press. The MO is the big press. If you need to do the MO, then you go down to MO gray socket. It's small, so it'll stay right there. We're going to print the current page. Go to setup, paper size, custom. It auto fills it in right there. We're going to leave the orientation the same. If for some reason it prints upside down, just go back, reprint it, and flip the orientation this way. But we're leaving that the same. Page position, you always want it centered. And then if you ever need to add crop marks, you go to marks and bleed and click crop marks. Once you do that, you're good. You hit print. Over here, it's loading it up. To open up this little setup, you just go to Navigator, and then it'll load these up. You go right here, select it, hit Roam. You go to Roam up here, reduce Roam, and that's going to make sure that everything's the right size. If it's really large, then something's wrong and you got to go in and adjust it. But as long as you do the steps so far, that shouldn't be a problem. So now you're going to go over here, small plates for the small press. Shiny side goes down. You can see how there's that kind of gray on one side. That's going to be the side that you line it up with. Slide it down. It'll hit a stop back there. You're going to back it up. Make sure it's straight. And you'll see that little green light. Alright, so that tells us that we're good. Whenever you first start it up, you'll hit this button and that cranks it up. And then once it's on, you'll hit it again and it'll say please wait right there, and then these little knobs will pop up. I already did that, so right now we got it lined up. You see the green light, and then you're going to go disable output, uncheck it, recheck it. If you don't recheck it, whenever you print, it's going to automatically try to send it through. So always recheck that box. Now it's outputting. Okay. Once it's outputted, you're going to come over here. You're going to hit that button. It's going to load up. There we go. Alright. You can see the knobs dropped, and now it's getting ready to print. Once it's done printing, this screen is going to tell you that it's done, and it's going to be locked on this side, so you won't be able to pull the plate out. So once it's ready, you'll hit this button again, just once, and then you'll take it off of here because it'll release the plate, and you set it down here on the dryer, and that's all it takes.